Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to remove blank cells in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that we have these 10 blank cells, and if I wanted to remove these blank cells here, or maybe I just wanted to hide them, what I will do, I will just select basically all of these blank cells. Then I will press Ctrl plus G. Then I will click on special and I will select blank from here, and then I will click on OK. Then I will basically select any cell and right click and click on delete, and here I will select this option, shift cells up. So what this will do is this will basically delete all of these blank cells and shift our cells with information to up. And when I will press OK, now you can see that we have successfully deleted all the blank cells, and additionally we also moved our information to top. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.